Hello, my friend. Does your heart beat uncontrollably like you are falling in love? Is the rhythm of the heartbeat worse than an amateur dancer? If you suffer from an irregular heartbeat, you are not alone. Our friend Catherine has asked for a natural method for this. Imagine how much calmer you will feel once your heartbeat is regulated. Let's get started.
With both fingers, tap onto your heart up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Massage it up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4. You will feel the tension if you are pushing your fingers in enough. 3, 4, 5. Massage outward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push your fingertips in as you massage outward. 4, 5. With the left hand, massage up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4. You are probably not massaging strong enough. Massage as strong as you can. 4, 5. Right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left hand on your heart and breathe into your nose and breathe out with a chi sound. Chi. 1, chi. 2, chi. 3, chi. 4. If you are breathing deep enough, your chest will expand as you inhale. 1, chi. 2, chi. 3, chi. 4, chi. 5, chi. Left hand onto your heart. Close your eyes and breathe into your nose and out through your mouth. Breathe in and out. 2, 3, 4. Breathe in through your nose. Your chest will expand if you are doing it properly. 2, 3, 4, 5. Gently open your eyes. Right hand onto your heart. Close your eyes and breathe into your nose and out through your mouth. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Focus only on your breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With both hands onto your heart and close your eyes for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gently open your eyes and drop your hands down.